So your kid tells you they want their own smartphone. Looks like you're about to spend the next 10 years stressing about what they're doing online. Not if you have Aqua One. Check it out. Say your child makes a questionable search. You'll receive an alert for potentially concerning activity. And that's totally fine, because if they're getting into something questionable, you'll be the first to know. Nice, that's good news. Now I know what you're thinking. Why not just block their access and control their screen time, right? Wrong. Monitoring their activity without parental controls allows the opportunity for your child to learn how to navigate the online world responsibly, with your guidance, of course. By simply logging into your parent dashboard from your phone, you can access all of their smartphone activity in a matter of seconds. Nothing's off limits. Texts, searches, downloads, likes, followers. Yep, they're still watching Minecraft live streams. But we're not done yet. The Aqua One's mental health check lets you see how your child is feeling in that moment. It's not only about the content they're viewing online, but the emotional and environmental factors that may be affecting their mood throughout the day. This is where you can find out if your dad jokes are actually working. Now, we know there isn't a rule book when it comes to parenting, but don't worry, we'll send you psychology-backed tips and recommendations based on your child's mental health check responses, so that you can feel confident in being there when they need you most. And sure, you can spend hours every night manually scrolling your kid's phone to see what they've been up to, but Aqua One empowers you to take the first step in allowing online freedom with peace of mind. So yeah, when Aqua One gives you the ability to turn technology from a confusing, endless abyss of ever-changing trends and apps into the ultimate parenting tool, you'll feel confident that you can strengthen the relationship with your child and prioritize their mental health. On the bright side, one less thing you'll have to worry about is your kid asking you for a cool new smartphone.